Hey guys, it's me, Narwhal Gaming, or Jalen Collins. I haven't made a video in a while, but today I'm making a video. I'll just be doing a brief overview of what my Christmas presents were. I won't be going in depth. I'll actually have separate episodes for those. Except for today, we will be going in depth on a little something I got. But, yeah, I also have music playing in the background. The Skillet Lickers. Good band, probably my favorite band. But, let's get right into reviewing. Alright, so I guess we'll just do the brief part first. So, Stacey Adams hats. These are both Homburgs. They come with feathers, which is nice. I think they're 100% wool, except for the inside. I think this is polyester. Doesn't have a tag to say. Stacey Adams, it's a great company. I will go more in depth on that in another video. That's the black, this is the dark blue. When I first saw it, I didn't even notice it was dark blue, but you gotta look at it good. Yeah, it kinda looks gray in the video. In real life, it's dark blue. Stacey Adams spat boot. Real nice shoe. Stacey Adams patent leather. Now, the big part of the video today. This is a late 30s, early 40s typewriter. Smith & Corona. I think that's the company, I'm not sure. It has a little bit of ink still left in it. As you can see, I was messing with it earlier. So, in case you don't know how to operate one of these things, like feed paper into it, which you probably should, you put it in the little, behind the wheel, or whatever it's called. You come over to the side, and you begin to crank it. Oh, well, I accidentally cranked it out. Crank it. Yeah, sometimes this thing don't like me very much. Oh, well. This may explain it. Alright, well, I've fixed it. And you just go over and you crank it in. And if you want to take it out, you can either crank the rest. Oh, and we got Spotify commercials. Ain't that sweet? Alright, well, I've returned from about 5 minutes of Spotify ads. And we'll continue with the typewriter. So you can just line this up wherever you want. And I'll only put this in focus. There we go. All the keys still work, you know. Let's see. See the little T? Focus. I was actually shocked when I found that this still worked. This is a good use of the backspace. Make the things work. Shoot. See, this is the main problem I have with typewriters. It's how difficult they are to operate. And you may be noticing I'm typing fairly slow. This is because if you type too quickly, they get compiled. I mean, it's an easy fix. You just go to the front one that's stuck, and push them all back. Everything still works on this thing. The eye's a little bit crooked, I've noticed that. All the keys still work, I've tested them all. One thing I did notice, there's no 1. I don't think typewriters had ones. I don't know, I'm not a typewriter expert. Or maybe this is one. What is this? Oh, wait. Oh, it's a half sign. See, I'm even learning things. Yeah, and then there's the shift key and the shift lock. Tab. And brings it all the way over. And of course, everyone knows how to bring the paper back. You get a hold of this. I guess that's what the tab's for. Big spaces. This is real neat. Not much else I can really say about it. Only way to get the paper out. Also, wait, let me show you actually how to pack it back up first. There's this little thing. You gotta press it down, and you can just move it wherever. And you need to move it to where it will actually fit in the briefcase. And then you need to move this little metal bit inside. Difficult to do with one hand. Oh, well, yeah, let me get this out first. And you just close it. The suitcase itself is also authentic. I don't exactly remember how to make the locks work. There's a key that comes with it. And I'm too scared to actually use the handle, because, well, it's like 80 years old, so. Almost 90. Which I actually just found out today that it had ink still in it. Which, that's for pretty... I mean, that's enough. Well, I guess that's today's episode. Tomorrow I will go over Stacey Adams' hats. So I will see you then. Subscribe to become a narwhal, and I will see you tomorrow.